Hi, I'm Brett from 4x4 Obsession. Today I'm just going to talk a little bit about selecting a four-wheel drive workshop that would suit your needs. The first thing to consider if you're going to get some work done on your four-wheel drive is to take it to a reputable four-wheel drive shop. Don't take it to a standard mechanic. Four-wheel drive shops are far more catered just for you, just for your four-wheel drive. Generally they're experts in that field, and as I know with my workshop, we do nothing but four-wheel drives. With most of the four-wheel drives these days, whether they're an older four-wheel drive or a new four-wheel drive, most people love their four-wheel drive. So whoever is going to work on your car, you need to trust. Do your research into the shop that you're actually working with and see if they're going to suit your needs. Don't be afraid to ring, ask questions about their services and what they can offer and what they do and don't do in-house. Also check what sort of brands they sell, whether they're selling your reputable brands or whether they've gone the opposite way. Make sure that it's somebody you feel comfortable with and can build a rapport up with, somebody that also shares the same passions that you do in four-wheel driving, someone that actually goes out and does the four-wheel driving themselves and not just somebody who is employed to turn a spanner on a car. It's very important that you can communicate with your four-wheel drive mechanic, relay exactly what you want from your vehicle, what you expect it to do, and when it comes out, how it's supposed to perform. The hardest task is actually identifying and actually explaining problems. Try and actually explain the problem with your four-wheel drive to your four-wheel drive mechanic. Don't get frustrated with this. It can take time because we understand that you're not the mechanic, but you're trying to explain a fault to us. So ensure that you do give as much information across as you can. Communication is the key. I'm Brett from 4x4 Obsession. Just make sure that you spend the time and do the research to select the right four-wheel drive shop for you. Thanks for watching.